Hey guys, welcome to the adventures. What an adventure it's been. So I just got a flat tire. It's already changed, it's already fixed, but I kind of want to go over the scenario and the situation. We still have the Love's Roadside guy here with us, and he's going to join me. But what happened was I was going down 95, the tire blew, and of course it was a rear tire. So with a set of doubles, it's a little bit more traumatic, I guess you could say. When it blew, it did pick up the trailer a little bit. I see the shreds start going, and so I knew I needed to get over to the side of the road. Got over as far as I could, but I kept in mind that it's been raining for 4 days. Do not touch the shoulder. If you touch the shoulder, especially with a set, you just put yourself in the likelihood to be able to have a rollover. So got over, realized what tire it was. I tried to evaluate it the best I could. Of course, I have my safety vest on, and realized that it wasn't wrapped up anywhere. It didn't take down any of my airlines. And so then I checked to see where the nearest exit was, and I got up to the nearest exit, parked on the shoulder, and make sure there's a nice flat space because of it being the driver's side outside tire. It was just gonna put me, the traffic, the repair person in danger, and it just was not creating a safe environment because I could only get about 1.5 feet off the roadway. So now we got to this space, and then I did some more evaluating even before I called Roadside. So I looked at the tire, and I noticed that the tire was shredded pretty bad. It was the inside tire. I got underneath there. I checked for some other damage to see if the airbags were damaged, the airlines, the light, the mud flap, everything that the tire cap could have hit. I'm checking all of that because whenever I call in for a breakdown, I want to make sure that I can really be serviced well. So guys, if you can, get to a safe space. Honestly, I know it was a little bit nerve-wracking while I was driving down the road. I was going about 40, 50 miles per hour. The shreds, it was starting to kick up little pieces. It was nothing huge pieces and whatnot. I had my four-ways on, but get somewhere safe because recognize that these roadside guys that are coming to rescue you are putting their life at risk for you. So make sure you're doing them a favor by putting them in the best and the safest situation possible. Honestly, shout out to Sam. Once I called, got all of that going, I was only on the side of the road waiting for about an hour before he got here, and he got the tire changed out in 20 minutes, and we're about ready to hit the road again. So we're done eating, we'll get wrapped up, hit the road, and downtime from the moment the tire blew until getting back on the highway, probably about 2 hours, which is amazing. So if you guys can help yourself, they can help you too. So make sure you're really evaluating the situation, because if Sam would have got here and I told him I had a blown out tire and it really would have been an airbag or a light or something else, he came to fix a tire, not fix all that other stuff. So that call would have just gone on further and further, which by then our loads would be late and would mess up the entire system and situation of it. So it just continues to snowball. So you guys, learn your job, do your job with pride and integrity, make sure you do the right thing, and you guys always be safe.
Hello guys, I'm Sam Ford. I'm currently employed with Love's Speedco. I'm here today servicing a FedEx truck with two wonderful drivers. I have the opportunity today to talk about safety. And working on the side of the road is very hectic. So if you see a trailer or a truck on the side of the highway and you see emergency vehicles like this one, would you guys please be kindful just to move over to the next lane or so, or slow down if it's not possible. I truly appreciate that. Thank you. Have a great day.
Do y'all see them lights? He has a lot of lights on that truck. They're flashing, they're yellow. Heads up, state law, slow down, move over, just like Sam said. You guys, do the right thing. Don't potentially kill someone or ruin your career by not doing so. You guys can see these, it's just do it, it's safety. All right guys, so after the roadside call, and you can tell obviously we've already gotten down the road and whatnot, I really started thinking about it a little bit more, and I just wanted to encourage you guys, to have a heart of generosity. And it's so easy in today's world to get into a negative mindset and start complaining and griping and just woes me kind of situation. And I really want to encourage you guys to have a positive mindset. And when you see somebody doing their job well, make sure you tell them how well they've done their job, how much you appreciate them, and how much they have made the situation better for you. Because honestly, Sam is the man, and he really made our day so much better considering we had a blowout. You know, the breakdown time was honestly probably record-breaking breakdown time and changing of a tire given the tire location. Unfortunately, we get a lot of blowouts. We run a lot of miles, and so we are experienced with breakdown time. And I have to say, Sam did so incredible. And so I'm not bragging about this or whatnot. I'm using it as encouragement, but I want you guys to be generous. Generously love on people, let them know how well they're doing. So not only did I tell Sam how well he did, but I called Sam's boss, and Sam's boss didn't even know that he was already done the roadside call. He thought he was still kind of on his way and gonna be there soon. He didn't realize that Sam was already on his way back to shop. So I also follow up with Loves and give him a great review in that shop location, a great review, because they really did excellent. But also be generous with your money or what you have available. Sam was working really hard, and so he definitely deserves a nice cold drink. Scott shared him a Dr. Pepper with him, and then also we gave him a tip. And it doesn't have to be anything crazy. We gave him 20 bucks. That's what we had. Sometimes it changes or varies. But guys, remember, the stuff that we have and the money we have, it's not ours. It's ours to manage. And when you are generous with it and you give abundantly, whether it's your time, energy, your love, your money, God's going to bless you with so much more. So I want to encourage you guys to handle what you have well and really encourage others. Show love and just be encouragement into this world. All right, guys, you be safe and enjoy the adventures. Bye.